to provide navigation to other pages? Try using a drawer. To use it, start with a scaffold widget. Then pass a drawer widget as an argument to the scaffold's drawer parameter. A scaffold with an app bar will automatically add a button to the app bar that opens the drawer. You can also use the end drawer parameter to show a drawer on the right side. To show the drawer programmatically, get the scaffold state and call open drawer or open end drawer. Dismissing the drawer is as easy as swiping it to the left or by using the navigator. Showing a drawer adds a new route to the navigation stack. A drawer can contain any widget you like, but it's common to use a list view with a drawer header and list tiles. For more info on drawer and all the other widgets, check out flutter.dev.